Guys, LaserStar 1999 on YouTube. You might notice the game's gonna be a little bit more louder. I have the how to rephrase. I got two speakers hooked up right now. Um, I just bought this car. I was trying to decide between that, the trucks, you know, making my usual decisions. I know I don't do. What the heck? Let's do that. I just don't care. Can I actually color the lights? Good. Because then you know what that means. On the other profile, I can't even do that whatsoever because after a certain update of the game said, nope, you can't do it anymore. For me. On the other one, they want me to pay actual money, and I'm like, hell no. That's dumb. Really? So it just makes that black. I gotta see the difference. So this makes that all black. Okay. Okay. Oh, I can remove this. They consider that a fender? That's hilarious. So you're telling me I have to pay 25 gold for that, but instead of that, I can do this! They didn't think about that problem, did they? Well, we're putting it back on anyway. So that has the trim. If I take this off, oh. It doesn't have the trim. I see what I mean. To paint this car. Wheels wise, I have no idea what to do. I don't have a lot of the gold wheels unlocked. I have some. I'm just gonna screw it. Move this over. I'm going to rear. We want it as fast as possible. Yeah, we'll leave it big. But I gotta do now the other one. I might make it a little slightly smaller. I don't know. I'm probably gonna end up swapping them out. This is right now not the final product of my customization, how I want to do this car, because I have no idea how I want to do it. I'm actually kind of struggling. I have no idea how I'm going to customize it. I haven't even... Are you... Come on! I hate when it does that. Mother... Come on. Why you do this to me, game? Why? You know I don't like when you do that. Not cool. What engine can I even swap in here? So you're basically telling me the only thing I can swap in here is basically garbage. I don't know if I like that. So all I can swap in here is stuff. None of these engines obviously won't give me more. Okay, only one engine gives me more power, but you already can tell. God damn it! Sorry if you hear this all on camera. It just spots decides to piss me off. Done. But I'm probably going to be doing some adjustments to this car. I just need to figure out better wheels. I like these wheels, but I... Well, what do you guys think? It's a simple customize I did to the car. I'm gonna do a test drive, messing around with this thing later a little bit more. I'm gonna want to play around with the car myself off camera, see how it handles and everything. And I'll have a video probably tomorrow, but it's gonna be my schedule is very tight. But we'll see what I can do. But I kind of hope you enjoyed the fact I bought this car and attempt to customize it. I know it's kind of simple, but I had no ideas or what to do. I really don't. I really don't have any ideas, but I hope you enjoyed this episode. But like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We'll see you all in the next one.